Hey y'all, today we're making a classic dessert staple in Creole homes, rum and vanilla French apple cake. This cake will be a hit with everyone you serve it to, so let's get started. Start with 2 to 3 apples that will hold up during baking. Granny Smith is what I'm using today, but Pink Ladies, Fuji, and Honeycrisp apples are also very good choices. After peeling the apples, we want to core them. Core the apples by cutting them in half and then using your knife to cut around the core. We are then going to grate one of the apples, and after grating, we're going to wet those apples with some fresh squeezed orange juice to prevent browning. Then we're going to slice the remaining apples thinly, about 3 to 4 millimeters. I'm using a mandolin to ensure my apple pieces are all the same thickness. When finished, the apple should be softened but recognizable in the cake, and then you want to pour the remaining orange juice over your sliced apples. Now we're going to use a handheld mixer to break up 6 tablespoons of salted butter. To the butter, we are going to add some granulated cane sugar and some brown sugar. Do not overly cream the butter for this recipe. Mix the butter and sugar only to incorporate. Then mix in 2 large eggs, one at a time. We're going to add some dark rum and some vanilla paste. I was taught when you making simple dishes with basic ingredients, you want to use the best ingredients you can get your hands on. Vanilla paste is a bit pricey, but it does wonders for the taste of this cake. Next, sift into the wet ingredients some all-purpose flour, some table salt, and some baking powder. And mix until combined. The batter is going to be stiff, and that's exactly what you're looking for. Once you have your batter mixed, you want to add the apples and mix to combine. You will see the batter loosen up significantly, but it should still be thick but soft. And once you have your batter, apples incorporated, you want to spread the batter evenly into a prepared springform pan. A regular cake pan is fine if you don't have a springform pan, but I find it easier using the springform pan. You want to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The cake should be light gold with bits of apple visible on top. To finish off, you sprinkle with a bit of confectionary sugar. And there you have it. French apple cake. Give it a try. It's definitely a winner. Please consider subscribing if you like this video. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.